When you search for low-spin golf balls, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just sounds good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Tailor-Made Distance Plus. Let's kick things off with the Tailor-Made Golf Distance Plus golf balls. Priced at $21.97, this product caught my attention because it's a bestseller with 4.7 stars from over 10,900 reviews. If you want explosive speed and maximum distance, this is worth a serious look. The Distance Plus features a React Speed core specifically designed for high-velocity performance. This means you'll get more distance on your drives, which is a huge plus if you want to up your game. Plus, the extended flight dimple pattern helps these balls cut through the wind, staying in the air longer. And if lining up your shot is a struggle, the Plus Alignment Aid makes aiming a breeze. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you struggle with inconsistent shots and lengthy drives, these balls are designed to enhance your performance on the course. Now, some people complained about the softer feel of the ball, saying it doesn't provide enough feedback on impact. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily focused on distance and not overly concerned with the feel, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're an amateur looking for affordable performance. Skip this one if you prefer a firmer ball that gives you more feedback on your swings. For just under $22, it's a solid value. Now, if the softer feel of the Distance Plus bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Callaway Super Soft Blue Splatter. Next up is the Callaway Golf Super Soft golf balls in a striking blue splatter design, priced at $24.99. With a rating of 4.8 stars based on 5,500 reviews, it's hard to ignore this one. If you're looking for a ball that combines soft feel with impressive distance, this is worth checking out. The Super Soft features a hyper-elastic soft fast core, which is engineered for increased ball speed while maintaining a soft feel around the greens. This means you can expect better distance off the tee without sacrificing control on those tricky approach shots. The 360 alignment system also provides true roll feedback on every putt, which is essential for improving your short game. Here's why this matters. If you struggle with putting accuracy or want to maximize your distance while keeping a soft feel, this ball is tailor-made for you. Some users noted that the blue splatter might not be everyone's favorite look, but honestly, if performance is your priority, the aesthetics shouldn't hold you back. This is perfect for you if you want great greenside control without compromising on distance. Skip this one if you're looking for a more traditional color scheme. At $24.99, it's a solid investment for golfers looking to improve their game. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love vibrant colors. Product number 3, Callaway Super Soft Yellow. Sticking with the Callaway brand, we have the Super Soft golf balls in yellow, retailing for $26.97. This option maintains a high rating of 4.8 stars, and it's another bestseller. If you want visibility along with performance, this one might just be your match. The same hyper-elastic soft fast core is featured here, ensuring fast ball speed and a soft feel. What's great about the yellow color is that it enhances visibility on the course, making it easier to track while in flight. Like the blue splatter version, it also boasts greenside spin control, ideal for those tricky short game shots. Here's why this matters. If you often lose sight of your balls or struggle with approach shots, this visibility combined with performance could change your game. However, some players say the yellow color can be distracting. Here's the deal: if you're someone who thrives on visual cues, this might actually work in your favor. This is perfect for you if you need a ball that's easy to spot and offers excellent performance. Skip this one if you prefer more traditional colors and styles. For $26.97, it's worth the price for the visibility alone. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more technology to improve your play, the next product is a great fit. Product number 4, Callaway Super Soft Pink. Next, we have the Callaway Super Soft golf balls in pink, priced at $27.99. This variant also holds a stellar rating of 4.8 stars from 5,500 reviews. If you're after a stylish option that doesn't skimp on performance, this one's definitely appealing. The pink color not only looks great but also provides visibility without compromising on performance. If you struggle with finding your ball in the rough, you'll appreciate this feature. Here's why this matters. If you're looking for a ball that combines style with effective play, this could be the one. Some users mentioned that the pink might not appeal to everyone. But look, if you enjoy a bit of flair in your game, it's a fun choice that stands out. This is perfect for you if you want to add some color to your game while maintaining performance. Skip this one if you prefer classic styles. At $27.99, it's a worthy investment for those who want both style and functionality. Now, if the soft feel of these Callaway balls isn't what you're after, let's wrap up with something a bit different. Product number 5, Bridgestone E12. Finally, we have the Bridgestone E12 golf balls available for $29.99. With a solid 4.7-star rating from 318 reviews, this ball is making waves for good reason. If you want optimal flight and improved distance, this is worth considering. The E12 features an optimal flight system designed to minimize hooks and slices, which means you can hit straighter shots more consistently. Here's why this matters. If you have trouble keeping your shots straight, this ball can help you recover from those mishits. The technology really focuses on improving your game. Some users have reported that the feel isn't as soft as they'd like. But honestly, if you're looking for distance and accuracy rather than a cushiony feel, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you frequently struggle with accuracy and want to improve your distance. Skip this one if you prioritize a softer feel during play. At $29.99, it's a fair price for the technology packed into it. To wrap it up, we've covered the tailor-made Distance Plus, the Callaway Super Soft in blue splatter, yellow, and pink, and finally the Bridgestone E12. Each ball has its unique strengths, so think about what you need most: distance, visibility, or forgiveness. Choose the one that fits your style and watch your game improve.